Well, good morning guys from the Santa Monica Wharf. We just drove here yesterday from San Francisco to Santa Cruz. Claudia got us some amazing breakfast from Kelly's French pastry, really good. She had an awesome macaron. I said it's the best. She still says the best is in Basel in Switzerland. Basel in Switzerland, where you can have awesome macarons, the originals. And yeah, that's so far what we did. Yesterday evening we have been at the
amusement park.
Yeah, at the amusement park here, straight over here at the beach. Super funny to see, especially at night. Now it's not that beautiful daytime, and yeah, that's what we're doing today. I think we will take a little hike or take the car because we're just allowed. Oh, look at this! They are everywhere here. That's so cute. Yeah, we will go over to the lighthouse, and later this day we will drive to Monterey. That's just a few minutes from here, but a little bit cheaper to stay than here in Santa Cruz, and we hope for better weather so that we can enjoy the view. So we will eat now some more delicious bakery stuff. Choco croissant, and Claudia got a cinnamon roll. We'll enjoy that and then hook up you guys a bit later. So cheers. So blazing fast. You can't even see how fast it is. That's Claudia's hair. And off to the next one. A super old coaster from 1924. So we just thought staying down at the pier and not going up here would be wrong, and we got rewarded, or Claudia got rewarded with a dog beach.
Yeah,
the perfect
so
place
cute.
for Claudia. So you can see all the dogs everywhere. Way too cute. And up there, where is it? There. You have the Surfer Museum and the Lighthouse from Santa Cruz. Super beautiful. Over there you can see people jumping into the water. And today there are not so many surfers because there are not many waves. And it's pretty cold today. But we are enjoying here at the beach a little bit more, and later go to the car and drive to the place. I can't remember the name at all.
Monterey.
This is my brain over there. My brain is called Claudia, and it works very well most of the time. So we just hang out here, watch the dogs, have a lot of fun watching them because they're super cute, and have a lot of fun here at the ocean. And yeah, let's see, maybe we can get up the drone. I don't know if you're allowed to. Haven't seen a no drone zone sign, but we will see what we do when we pick up the camera again. And if we're not doing anything else than sitting around, the video will be more or less over here. But I don't think so. So, see you guys in the next one. Good morning from Fisherman's Wharf here in
Monterey.
Good morning in Monterey. So we just drove here yesterday from Santa Cruz. The weather in Santa Cruz was not so good. Here it is amazing. We have beautiful mist, beautiful rain, and the weather is epic. So we're going whale watching because this seems one of those spots in California where you can see whales the best. So we decided, why not go and see some whales? This is what we do this morning. This is where we are out with such gross weather, but it's fine. And yeah, from here let's go to the boat and see what we can find. for today.
What was your name?
So how is it so far?
Perfect.
Perfect? Really amazing, super cool. So many whales. I did not ever expect there was another one. So cool.
Wash over me, let me fall from my surroundings.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So this was epic.
Yeah.
Absolutely perfect. We got the perfect weather, you can see it now. Became super beautiful. We had a blast. We saw so many whales.
And
They
dolphins.
said 20 to 30 different whales. We had whiteback dolphins or something like that, and some other bigger dolphins. That was really crazy to see. Never seen those before, and yeah, just a crazy experience. So if you're nearby to Monterey, you should definitely come here because it's a blast seeing that. For me, I think it's a one in a lifetime experience. So you should have done that. But we are now really hungry, and I want some fish and chips. You too?
Yeah.
So let's go and look if we can see or if we can find some seafood. But I think that should be possible down here. When you like seafood, when you're into that, you're right here. So for those of you who are interested in, we made cruise whale watching. It was $40
Yeah.
each, 41, 42. I think the price is totally fine. And maybe you can find some vouchers in your hotel. We had a voucher, $3 off for each of us. Totally fine for a really great experience. So now, going to eat.
Yeah.
Eat. Let's go.
See around me, there's no telling what you'll find here.
So, after our fish and chips we ate, we just wanted to go to some viewpoints to see some more whales from the coastline. But actually you have to pay for more or less every viewpoint when you go down the coast. So we decided, we go to the beach. We're here now at Del Monte Beach, enjoying the sun and the rest of the day. And yeah, that's it for those 2 days. Yesterday Santa Cruz, today Monterey. And from here on we will just enjoy the sun on the beach. And yeah, if you liked it, leave a like. If you did not like it, leave a like also. And follow us for upcoming videos. See you guys in the next one. Bye!
Bye.
Heard this beat in my dream.